Alright, y'all, we're back with another one. Make sure you like, subscribe. Another couple of mystery packs. We're gonna see what we got here. Let's see. I wonder if I can just. No, that one's stuck on there. That one got some good ass grip on there. Good glue. Whatever they use. So let's see. See what we got here. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. You can't tell me that ain't nice. Old school throwback one. It's number 2, I bet. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's numbered. You gotta scan this code or whatever it is, and it'll tell you about this player in this patch. That's badass though. Yeah, that thing is thick too. It's a nice case. Alright. It's a nice one. That's it for that package. Go ahead and short and simple on that one. Let's see if we can rip this one up. Nope. So just come up under here. Bam. 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 This one's in there. Wow. I'm just gonna have to cut this. I don't know why I'm using scissors. But here we go. Ooh, you know who that is right there. That's that boy that led Oklahoma to a championship. You know what I'm saying? See, I didn't know that he was from Canada. We got the Canada flag in the background. That's kind of tight. I like that. I like that. Is it numbered? I don't think so. I don't see no numbers. No, but it's a nice one though. It's a nice card. Alright. Let's go with this one right here. Ooh, yeah, got Curry on there, and James, and Kevin Durant. Wow, that's a nice one right there. USA. Is this one numbered? That's tight. You see that? It says tops all over. I don't know if you can see that. All over the card. That says tops on it. There we go. There we go. You can see it a little bit. I like this. This is a nice one right here. Oh, Patrick Mahomes, boy. 5 touchdowns. I like this one. Is this one numbered? No, not this one. No. Nice card though. Woo. Look at that one. That one's fat. I ain't gonna lie with that little red in the background. football. Throwing that heat. That's who he is, boy. Oh, is this numbered? Nah, it's not numbered. That's a fat card, though. I like that one. Ooh. That moss, boy. That moss. Is this one numbered? No. That's fat, though. These cards right here is fat enough to be numbered. Legend in the making, though. Yeah, that's a fire. That was a fire little pack right there. That was a fire pack. Alright, that's it for this one. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Let's see if I can rip this one open. Alright, I'll just cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna start using the scissors a lot faster. Ooh, that fire right there. It's numbered too. 225. They made of these right here. Only 225. And it was a little big package for one card. Alright. On to the next. On to the next. Let's see. We got up in here. Ooh, look at that one. Another fire one. Yeah, that's that same. Is that that same kind of card? No. Ooh, that's that rookie. The McCaffrey. JJ. I hate when they put that sticker up in the front, though. Let's see if I can get this off, man. Oh, it's in the back. That's cool. I ain't tripping. I'll just flip the card around. Yeah, this one ain't numbered, though. That's a badass card, though. Oh, it is numbered. They made them 999 of these cards. That record. And that's it. Oh, got to show this one. Oh, that boy's a beast. That boy's a beast. Let me flip it around because it got that sticker on there. Ooh, that rookie. Look at that one. That's a fat ass rookie card right there. SGA, look at him. Ooh, he's a beast. He's a beast. But you know who's a beast too, though, man? And people sleeping on him? Anthony Edwards. I think he's the next LeBron James, man. Anthony Edwards. That boy right there is a beast, though. Yeah, that's that fire rookie card right there. 2 rookie cards. This is a badass pack right here. I ain't even gonna lie. And it's a 10 too. Fire. Alright, y'all. Well, make sure you guys like, subscribe. You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think about this video. Short and simple. And I'll catch y'all later. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and make sure I try to hit you guys back with some more packages, some more mystery packs. Peace.